Hey, good morning folks, it's the uCANall channel about life in Canada and about travel. And right now I'm in Quebec City for the first time in my life, and this is day 2 actually, and today we're going to explore this really famous waterfall, which is actually bigger than Niagara Falls. And we made it from Niagara because I live with my family in Niagara, like 20 minutes from Niagara Falls, in a small cute city called St. Catharines. And yeah guys, today we stayed in this hotel for 3 nights, and today we got this breakfast. It was like, it's called something like cold breakfast or something, but actually it was like just only boiled eggs, some bread, I don't know, like some jam, some dry breakfast stuff. So I'm not impressed with this breakfast, frankly guys, but it's actually, at least we have something, because usually like you don't have any breakfast, so it's good to have. And yeah, I'm not going to show you around this in my hotel. This is like more like apartment, some kitchen here. I made it already in my previous channel, previous video, so check this out, it's already on my channel. And yeah guys, so today is going to be interesting one. It's going to be adventure day, and we're going to explore this waterfall, and stay tuned guys. Anyway guys, a couple of words to mention here about this hotel. So actually we got like cool feature, we got some coffee, and I'm going to get my second coffee right now. So this is like for free on the first floor in the lobby, and this is something really good. Maybe I need to mention like in here about this hotel, it's this neighborhood is maybe not the best, but it's okay. It feels safe, like compared to Montreal, much safer. And maybe it's a bit noisy, like in the night time it's a bit noisy outside, I should say. But you can try just close your windows, and it should be okay if it's like not summertime and it's not too hot in your apartment, you know guys. And yeah, that's something I want to mention. Okay folks, we got this here. So we made it to Montmorency Falls. Not sure if I'm saying this correctly, don't judge me. And we got some parking in here, like it's as always some construction. And by the way, some space in here, not sure if it's paid or for free. It looks like it should be free. Something to explore. And yeah, let's get things done, let's get explore this place.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. And every way you get me started off finally, then left going deep into oblivion. I'll be right back here to see you just one more time.
Okay, that bridge was pretty shaky, I should say. But even my wife, she's extremely scared about any type of bridge. She was actually good on this, so it's, yeah, you should be okay, I believe. But it's, yeah, just consider it's a bit shaky. And in here we're trying to make it to this staircase, and from here you can get this really good view for overall this Quebec City, because actually it's just beautiful city, you know, guys, located to the river, on the shore of this river. And this is must-have destination, guys, and must have to see this waterfall. Okay, folks, looks like it's another secret parking in here, just before the staircase. Just nobody in here. That's why I call this secret, because I don't know how to make it, but I will try to left a link to this place under this video. So don't forget, every time I'm lefting a bunch of useful links for any places I have visited, so you can just take a look. It should make your life a bit easier, guys. Not sure, guys, looks like somebody just living in here. I see some pools inside. It looks like this is really rich people in here. So yeah, in here this washroom just before the staircase. Okay, folks, quick advice here arrived. So if you don't want to pay some extra money for this funicular, which actually will cost you, I believe, like at least 17 bucks per adults, so just quick advice, start from the top point as we did today. Do not start from the bottom one. You know, you can find this parking on the bottom side, and you must have to go like to the top level, because you want to see this whole gorgeous view from the bridge, okay, from this top level point. So quick advice, started from the top one. Maybe you can go as right now I'm going to do, maybe go to the staircase all the way down, or maybe like halfway, just to see and try to get it to be a bit closer to the waterfall, to enjoy it, maybe to feel this, I don't know, like this water on your face. And quick advice for you, so far we paid just, I believe, only 30 bucks for 2 adults. My son, 7 years old guy, he's actually, the entrance for him was just for free. And yeah, guys, just enjoy this place. This is a really good one, and yeah, it's definitely higher and more powerful than Niagara Falls. And it's kind of awesome, because I'm used to seeing Niagara Falls. I live 20 minutes away from Niagara Falls, and it's even this extremely beautiful place like Niagara Falls, you can used to this, and that's why you're trying to find something else. That's why it's so good to travel, you know, guys, to refresh your mind, to see in other places, to go beyond of your comfort zone. And this is how this life is working. At the end of the day, when the life is going, you will remember this traveling time with your family, and you trying to remember your life. And actually it's more about trips, you know, like traveling time, not when you're working, not when you, I don't know, like doing some basic stuff, but exactly when you're traveling. So this time it's actually about the life, you know, guys. That's why it's so important to explore new places. So never stop being exploring, guys. This is my main message on this channel. Don't sit at home, explore at least your neighborhood, I don't know, go anywhere, try different places, and just enjoy the life.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm
Okay, folks, we made it to the bottom line from here. It's a gorgeous view. I would advise you to do the same. Actually, it's extremely wet in here. This humidity, I believe, like about almost 100%. You will get a wet hair. Like, try to get some cap, try to get some, I don't know, like jacket to cover your head, to cover everything. I didn't get mine, so if I'm going to go closer, I will absolutely wet. And like, just for the reference, yesterday it was like positive 10 degrees. Today it's about 22, I believe. So that's how the weather is jumping around here in Quebec City. But from here, you can feel its power exactly staying too close to the bottom line, you know, guys, of these waterfalls. So, and you can take a walk in here, just around in here, this area, and probably you can go to a funicular and try to make it back to the top line, you know, guys. So, yeah, this is really good one. It's so nice experience, guys. I don't know, it's so enjoyable. So far, so awesome. So yeah, folks, this is Montmorency Falls. Must have to see.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
Okay, guys, a couple of words about this experience with staircase. So this is nightmare. Forget everything I told you before. Just don't go to these waterfalls. It just doesn't work. Sit at home, watch some TV, I don't know, Netflix, YouTube, something. My videos on YouTube, but don't go to this place. Okay, I'm kidding, guys. It's not really so difficult how it may look like with the first glance. But you know, I'm in pretty good shape, so for me it wasn't actually extremely difficult, but still I can feel it in my legs. And probably it makes sense to pay some extra money to get this funicular. I don't have this for today. I'm trying to save some money. Maybe if you're going to watch my video more, so I'm going to get more money and I will be able to pay for this funicular. Okay, guys, I haven't been told you this, okay? So you learn it not from me. Can you see it? This is free entrance. Nobody in here watching you. And I believe you can make it from here. Maybe it's going to close down there, I'm not sure. But Canada is not about this, okay? So we need to pay even if nobody is trying to catch you. We still need to pay because that's how great countries are working, guys. So yeah, we need to be responsible, and I'm not advising you to go this way, okay? Just try to pay. Okay, folks, it may sound weird, but actually it's the most cozy washroom I ever saw in my life. It's like a house, you know, like some old house. And can you see this even fireplace in here? That's what I'm saying. This is the most cozy place, washroom in my life. Just check this out, this washroom. I'm telling guys, I would live in this house. What is the price to buy this one? Okay, my friends, so I'm wrapping up this vlog in here, Montmorency Falls. I hope I'm still saying it correctly. So yeah, I'm wrapping up, guys. Thank you for watching this one. Check out a bunch of another videos on my channel about Quebec. It's going to be much more. Subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like it when I'm sharing this experience with you, giving some tips. And I will try to catch you in the next one. Never stop being exploring. Okay, bye, peace out.
Rush to bed case, levitate, got it tatted on me, told them follow me, they see the